Hi everybody, my name is Maggie. I'm in the paramedical program, which is laser electrolysis on top of skincare. Right now I'm in skincare at the moment. I just finished laser and I finish on July 11th, so I am almost done. What brought me into this program is I've always been involved in the beauty world. I danced for a long time and I had skin issues growing up, so that made me really in tune with my own skin, and dealing with those issues made me want other people to feel better about their skin, so that's why I'm here today. After I'm done here, I would love to work either in a medical spa or a dermatologist, somewhere where I can really dive deep down into people's skin. I would recommend Boca Beauty Academy. I made some really good friends here, and my teachers, Miss Iris and Miss Eloise, have been amazing.